Later on this evening, we'll see impact weather with a brief period of rain and a brief period of heavy rain, but most places looking at about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch at most here with the rain coming in for tonight. The bigger story will be the wind. It starts to get blustery after dinner time, gusting up around 30 miles an hour overnight. And tomorrow we have a wind advisory with gusts coming in between 40 and 50 miles an hour. That's enough to start snapping branches, causing some power outages. So that will be in effect tomorrow from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Very blustery here for your Tuesday. So impact weather for that wind advisory. Otherwise, the rain will have wrapped up late tonight, so it'll be out of here. But our next chance comes in for late Wednesday and Wednesday night. And we've got yet another storm system possible by the weekend. So 3 storms here to track in your 8-day forecast. So let's start with the rain coming in later today and into tonight. Already seeing a couple of light showers and sprinkles in southern Maine. That trend will continue through the afternoon, but we do cloud over. Here comes the steadier rain later on after dark, and you can see the storm tracker is picking up on it here. A few good downpours as the front pushes through, but by the time we get to midnight, 1 a.m., we're already starting to dry out. Tomorrow is a dry day, but we do have to deal with those wind gusts again over 40 miles an hour coming in from the west-northwest tomorrow all day long. So blowing a gale here through your Tuesday, and still a little breezy Tuesday night. And then our next round of rain comes in for Wednesday night into Thursday, and we're talking about some mountain snow. Tonight, the higher summits could see a little bit of light snow, but Wednesday night into Thursday morning, not just the summits, but some of the low valleys as well could have a little bit of snow on the ground Thursday morning. Very appropriate here for the first week of November. We can expect more and more snow chances for our mountains here in the coming days, and much colder days settling into, Megan, 40s and 50s here through the 8-day.